Endri Jurale, aquí, señoritas, solamente hablamos español ahora.
Mira.
¿Qué pasó?
Ah, qué coño.
Vamos a hacer un video de esto.
Ese mi amigo se llama Nelson Galindo, también el trollo, no se llama trollo, es el marica.
No.
Marica ecuatoriano. Y aquí es el cool Nelson, se llama cool. No sé qué es el
clogger.
El clogger. ¿Cómo se llama clogger en español?
I don't know.
Que clogger de los baños. Yo, clogger de los baños.
So finally we're doing some hiking after like.
And now we're doing some hiking.
Swimming.
Yeah.
Lots of swimming, which was really nice.
All right, say hello to all our YouTube fans, man.
YouTube.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. This guy, he loves to take fucking pictures. Oh, so, yo, we gotta speak in Spanish, man.
Speaking español, por favor.
Hey, we don't speak in Spanish, man. Come on, man. Speak in Spanish, man.
Oh, I like the hiking shoes.
Yeah. Yo, though my friggin' my toe hurts, but I'm kind of getting through it, man. Who fell? You did? That's true, actually. We didn't need to ask that question, did we?
You know what they call it? People that fall off the hammocks in Ecuador? Retard? No.
Retarded? That's what they call them.
No, they say caído de la hamaca means like
Caídos de la hamaca.
they dropped you as you were a kid.
Oh, that's where they got. See, those dudes over there. That's what I told you.
They call them despacio.
Yeah.
Oh my God, my shoes are untied.
That's funny. Who do you think fell? Oh shit. Aquí tenemos el grande catarata. Está aquí. Como ves.
Dude, we can fucking swim, dude.
Yeah. We got our swimsuits, dude.
Man, I don't.
What?
I mean, I don't have them on me now.
It's up there. Yeah, we can go up and come down, man.
You gotta swim, dude. Oh, I don't have my swim trunks on. Dude, this is gorgeous, man. I need to swim here. Yo, we need to go back and get the trunks. I'm down. Yeah. Nelson, you down to go in the water, man? Come on, dude.
It's not that deep. It doesn't look like it.
It's not deep at all. Look how clean it is,
Yeah.
man.
This is how clean the water is.
Dude, we can walk across that trunk, too.
Yeah.
We can totally walk across that trunk. Look at this, man. It's so clear. Yo, you gotta go in, man. Come on, dude.
Stop smoking, man. It's bad for the nature.
Look at that shit. It's cool, man. That's fucking nice.
Yoo-hoo, Galindo! Don't fall, man. Don't fall.
I already fell my fucking feet. You know what you call a person off the hammock? Fell off the hammock?
Oh yeah. This is the mark right here, man.
Let me see that. I can get that on video.
Yeah.
Caramba!
There's another mark over here from the fucking thing, man.
That's the alligators.
What? Yeah, sure. Aquí, 1, 2 y 3. Wow! Holy shit! Yo, I can't believe we're gonna skip this shit, man. You guys gotta fucking kiss my ass tonight, man.
Why?
Well, actually, you and me, because you saw it. I not Googled it, whatever. And I was like, shit. So we ended up here by pretty much
Accident.
completely out of luck. Yeah. We saw that it was 2 kilometers away and decided that we'll pursue it. So. ¿Qué pasa, Galindo? You want to take through my screen? Yo, what's up, yo? This is New York City. No, there ain't no New York City. This is Costa Rica. Hola, señor. Yo soy de costarricaño. Aquí tenemos una catararte. Lo que coge todo, lo coge todo. Lo que coge todo, lo coge nada. Backhand. Sweet. Wow.